Hello guys, today I'm proud to announce that I added a one-click cloth simulation to the Blender add-on JMesh tools. This is Blender 3.0 Alpha, and I add a simple plane, then I assign a dark material to it, this one, and then I go to edit mode and subdivide the mesh. Right click, subdivide, or you can use the operator UI. For example, set it to 20. This mesh should be dense enough to kind of pump it up with a cloth simulation that has the pressure option enabled. It's very simple, we just have to press the cloth button here in the JMesh panel. Then an overlay pops up and you can define the amount of pressure and shrinking. I increase the pressure a bit and then I press start and look at this. So some add-ons also have a feature like that, so I thought, hey, let's implement this shortcut. You can also change the values while the simulation is running, so my UI framework is really useful here. Play around with the values for the pressure and the shrinking, it's so much fun. And of course you can use the timeline to go back to the first frame. Perhaps I will add a button for this to the overlay. Okay, now I'll go ahead and press Shift and D to duplicate the plane. And of course the cloth modifier is also attached to the duplicated one, but you can select an object and then change the parameters for this object separately. You see, I select this one and the current parameters are displayed in the overlay. Then you can stop the simulation. And if you like to apply the modifier, just press the apply button and the geometry is created. You see it in edit mode. Okay, so we can have a look at a more real-world example. Here's a hard surface mesh for that I did some slices. It consists of separate objects. And now I'll go to edit mode for this inner part. And here's how you can select the faces. First this one, then Ctrl key pressed, and then click the other ones. And these faces I want to pump up with a cloth simulation. So first I press Shift and D to duplicate them, then I press P to turn the selection into a separate object. Okay, it's this one here. And before we add a cloth modifier, we have to increase the resolution. First I remove the bevel and the weighted normal modifier that are copied because we duplicated the mesh, and then I assign the dark material to the object. Okay, to increase the density, I switch to the edit mode and press Shift and R to add some edge loops. First for this face, then for this one, and now some horizontal edge loops for the whole mesh. Alright, now we can symmetrize the mesh. As you know, JMesh has the symmetrize operator. Like that, and now we have a nice even topology. Great, now with the object selected, I press Clothify, increase the pressure a bit, decrease the shrinking, and then I start the simulation. And while it is running, you can play with the parameters. And perhaps you like to increase the resolution, then you can go to the modifier panel and for instance add a subdivision surface modifier. Okay guys, would be interesting to know if you like the feature. Perhaps there are some options and parameters that you want me to add, so please tell me in the comments. As you know, the add-on is free. You can download it from GitHub, but you can also get it from the Blender market to get special support and to support the Blender devfund. And of course my channel and the development of the add-on. It is also available on Gumroad if you like to get it from there. I always upload the latest versions to these pages. So guys, thanks for watching this and don't forget to subscribe to Jayanam if you haven't already. Also consider supporting me on Patreon, or join as a channel member to get nice perks. And follow me on my social media on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one here on Jayanam.